Ahead and set the grid here. Randy Lathrop will line up at the 1, Matthew Garcia at the 2, Lance Hubbard at the 3, Jen Lathrop at the 4, Clayton Cravens at the 5, and John G at the 6. All right, looks like we got 6 trucks, so we're ready to go with our two-wheel drive open stadium truck A main event. Turn marshals, pay attention. Good luck, drivers. We're going at the sound of the tone.
Help!
All right, looks like Randy getting out to a good, comfortable lead there in the 4 minutes left. And anybody's race for the second spot. Right now it's Hubbard in second, Cravens third, Jen in fourth, Matthew in fifth, John in sixth. 1 minute down, 4 minutes ago. Race number 19 coming up next. Our 4-wheel drive short course. Keep in mind for 4-wheel short course, we do have combined expert. We have 4 experts and 6 sportsmen. So the two different awards, 2 different groups of awards. So the top 3 experts, the expert drivers are Matt Olson, Tyler Robinson, Rocco Epler, and Gary Otasi are the experts. And then everybody else in the next race is sportsmen, so you're racing within your class for those awards.
Three minutes left.
Fast lap of the race, 19.8. Hubbard turns his best, 19.9 right there. Hubbard now 5 seconds behind our leader, Randy Lathrop. So right after this one, Hagen, Epler, and King. We're going to hold up the next race. Rocco, you're going to take your picture first, and then you'll get up on the driver's stand.
After 2 minutes 30 seconds, the top drivers were Randy Lathrop in first place, followed by Lance Hubbard in second place, followed by Clayton Cravens in third place, followed by Jennifer Lathrop in fourth place, followed by Matthew Garcia in fifth place.
Three minutes down, 2 minutes ago. It's Randy, Lance, Clayton, Matthew, and Jen.
2 minutes left.
John with 2 to go. Clayton Cravens now taking over fast lap of the race with a 19.6 2 laps ago. .330 down, 1:30 to go, and Cravens now with a 19.2. Picking up the fast lap, running in the third spot, only a second and a half behind Hubbard for that second spot. Oh, that was our leader that rolled over, but still holds on to a nice lead. He had an 8.5 second lead last time by. This time by, it's going to be a 7.5 second lead, so a 1 second roll over there. Cravens now up to second, Hubbard to third, Garcia fourth, and Lathrop fifth. So Hubbard, Garcia, Lathrop all pretty close for that third and final podium spot.
45 seconds left. Seconds left.
30 seconds, drivers, 30 seconds. So a 6-second lead for Lathrop now over Cravens. And here's the battle onto the straightaway. Hubbard, Garcia, and Lathrop all going to make it by for another lap. Battle for third over on the right side. Less than 5. They made it by. Keep going, Jen. Keep going, Lance. Another lap to determine third place. Garcia done. John G done.
Randy Lathrop.